when you come to places like this and you do like this kind of stuff, it's like good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So this is a very good morning. The days are started, and if you haven't watched my previous vlog, I came to Kerala from Chennai to Kerala, and just watch that previous vlog if you haven't watched that yet. And so we are in right now in home quarantine. I don't know why we are in home quarantine, because everything is okay here, and but these are the rules, so we have following it. And so the days starting with like everything is good, and yeah, one each is task is coming. So this is weekend, so no works. So it's Christmas time. So right now we are in a house, beautiful house in Kerala. So why not make this Christmas a good here by starting with the Christmas tree. So I'm started making Christmas tree here, like preparing everything, decorating it, and yeah, there are more tasks coming up. First of all, yeah, first Christmas tree, then stars, then each and everything you will be coming up. Just wait and watch. Whole video will be amazing and interesting, so just stay tuned there. So guys, the first stage of making Christmas tree look like a Christmas tree, it's done. So as you can see, that stage is finished. Now decorating part is left. Tiring. This is going to be a fast forward video, how I decorated my Christmas tree. So let's jump into it straight.
Girl, you got me shook.
Christmas tree is fully decorated, and let me know in comment section if it is looking good. See how it looks like. So I'll show you with lights also. Lights are also done, and everything is done. In night, I think it will look more good. So yeah, after the Christmas tree is done, now it's time for the star. As you all know, the star. It's quite old one, but yeah, right now this is only option because we can't go anywhere. So we'll be putting up there. Instead of that, we'll be putting this one, and that star will be going up above the sky. Also wonder, star is going up. This type of adventures I haven't done before, like in quite of some time. So doing these all adventures, it's crazy. Next up guys, nothing much, it's the same thing. I need to put that star up from here. Star is coming from down. Okay. My dad is giving up. Though. Now you see me, it looks like I am in jail. Happy jail. The Christmas tree is ready. But one thing happened with this Christmas tree. Sudden wind came and it blew my Christmas tree away. And all the things are outside. All the decorative things. And the hard work I had done this in behind this Christmas tree all went down. Star is put there. Connections need to be done, and we are set for Christmas. Figured out most of the strategies to avoid again coming down. So yeah, I made it stable anyhow. Now it's going to be superb. So guys, this is my first star that I put, and it's lighting. So how beautiful it is. So this is the first star, and the rest Christmas tree and another star that is down, so we need to go downstairs. So for that moment where I reveals my Christmas tree, that is let me know in comment section, did you like it or not, and how does it looks. And one star is there above, so we did this much. And yeah, we had right now this much with us so that we can decorate for the Christmas. And we are here in Kerala so that we can celebrate Christmas with family and relatives, and it's going to be fun. I look little off of type. It's because I have dust allergy, and this house was closed for so long that full dust today in cleaning and everything uh, happened. And all you can understand, right? You get it, right? So that's why I'm looking like this. Because of this condition, mom told to take some steam, so some kind of steam. We have steam inhaler. I don't know if she told to use it. So it should do something. Let's see. Guys, that yesterday's steam has made a lot of effect on me, and in good sense that everything that cold and the downish type feeling has gone, and now I'm perfectly okay. So a lot of energy is there to do something. Have you guys wondered how a tapioca looks like? Don't worry, we have a tapioca at my house. So my dad planted a tapioca a year back, and now it's grown, and I'm going to pull that off right now, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks. It's interesting, right? When you come to places like this and you do like this kind of stuff, it's like interesting. So one of the tapioca we pulled day before yesterday, and we had it. So one more is left. I don't know where it is. So guys, here it is. This is the tapioca plant, and we have to pull this off, and it is in the root where what we'll have it. So guys, that is a moment where we have to pull that. Are you guys ready? So guys, we are going to pull this off. It's from the root. So guys, ready? 1, 2, 3. बहुत ही डांची है इसके. So it's very strong, guys. Trying to pull it out, but it's not coming up. Yeah, it's coming. Yeah, guys, it's finally out. Yeah. So you need lot of energy for this. It's finally out, guys. See how it is look like. This is the tapioca. This tapioca has lot of energy. And taken my energy too to pull this off. So we can grow this back again with planting that stems. So now we'll clean that off and we'll have it. Mom just cooked that tapioca and it was amazing, and it was so tasty and delicious that yummy. That's the natural tapioca which we had. So guys, that's it for today, and if you have enjoyed this video for whatsoever reason, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Till then, signing off. Adigos amigos. Bye.